Warewolf has a strong granular security model that runs on top of Windows Active Directory. All security is based on AD user groups instead of user accounts. To open the security settings, click Settings in the main toolbar. The Security tab should be open by default. Server permissions are a broad-scoped default mechanism for providing security permissions for the server based on user groups. Resource permissions are defined per resource. Resource permissions allow fine-grained control of system usage and access. Deploy to. By default, this group can deploy resources onto the server. Deploying may mean overwriting existing work and can be done without contribute privileges. Deploy from. By default, this group will be able to deploy resources off this server. Administrator. Administrators can amend security and change server settings. The local machine administrators are automatically given this permission. Giving public access to this permission is the same as turning security off, and this is not recommended at all. View. This group can open and view resources on the server. This is typically used by business analysts to sign off work and participate in the development process. Execute. This group will be able to call or execute resources in this server. Contribute. This group will be able to add new resources, edit resources, and delete existing resources on this server. The group can also view and execute resources. If you have administrative permissions on the server you have connected to, you will be able to edit the settings, including the user and logging settings. We will now set the resource permissions for the Hello World microservice. In the Resource Permissions, click the ellipsis button in the Resources column. Select the Hello World microservice. Click OK. In the Windows group, click the ellipsis button. Type in all users in the text box of the Windows group. Click the Check Names button. Click OK. Check View and check Execute. If these are the permissions you have intended, you can now save. As you can see, Warewolf gives you complete control of your security permissions in a powerful yet flexible interface. For more video tutorials, visit the Warewolf Knowledge Base.